Welcome to Hooded Genius, the channel where anonymity meets mastery in cybersecurity. Today, we'll map out the ultimate path to becoming a successful penetration tester, or as the cool kids say, a pen tester. Imagine getting paid to legally break into systems, hacking but with permission. It's one of the most thrilling careers in cybersecurity. Stick around, and I'll guide you step by step through the skills, certifications, and strategies you need to dominate the field. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear roadmap to becoming a pen tester. And remember, no face, no case, but plenty of knowledge. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. Every journey starts with a solid foundation. For pen testing, that means mastering basic IT knowledge. Think of it as learning how locks work before becoming a locksmith. Here's what you need to cover. Networking basics. Learn about IP addresses, ports, and protocols. Understand how data moves across networks. Tools like Wireshark can help you visualize network traffic. Operating systems. Get comfortable with Linux, particularly Kali Linux, the pen tester's favorite playground. Programming and scripting. You don't need to be a master coder, but basic knowledge of Python, Bash scripting, and PowerShell is crucial. Think of these as the essential tools in your hacker's toolkit. Without them, you'll be like a swordsman with no sword. Step 2. Understand security fundamentals. Next, dive into security basics. If you don't understand how systems are supposed to be secure, how can you find their flaws? Focus on encryption and hashing, firewalls and IDS/IPS systems. Common attack vectors like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and phishing. Remember, a pen tester is always thinking like an attacker. Your job is to anticipate their moves before they strike. Step 3. Learn ethical hacking tools. Here's where things get fun. Start exploring tools that every pen tester swears by. MAP, the network scanner that reveals what's lurking in the shadows. Metasploit, a powerful framework for developing and executing exploits. Burp Suite, the go-to tool for web application security testing. Don't just memorize commands, practice. Set up a home lab or use platforms like TryHackMe or Hack the Box to test your skills. Real-world practice beats theory any day. Step 4. Certifications matter. Now, let's talk about certifications. While skills are king, certifications are your crown. They validate your knowledge to employers. Start with CompTIA Security Plus, a great entry-level cert to understand basic security concepts. Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, popular but often debated. It's a start, but experience trumps everything. Offensive Security Certified Professional, or CP, the holy grail of pen testing certifications. If you pass this, you've proven your hands-on skills. Pro tip: focus on practical certifications. Employers want proof you can hack, not just pass a multiple-choice test. Step 5. Gain real-world experience. No one becomes a master without practice. Start small. Participate in Capture the Flag, CTF, competitions on sites like CTF Time. Join bug bounty programs with platforms like HackerOne and BugCrowd. Every vulnerability you find sharpens your skills and builds your reputation. Plus, there's nothing more satisfying than legally hacking into a system and getting rewarded for it. Step 6. Build a personal brand. In cybersecurity, reputation is everything. Even if you're faceless like us, you can still build a powerful brand. Share your learning journey on platforms like GitHub or write blogs on Medium. Create a LinkedIn profile highlighting your skills and projects. A network with other ethical hackers on forums and Discord groups. Being known in the community can open doors to job offers, mentorships, and collaborations. Step 7. Develop soft skills. Being a technical wizard isn't enough. Pen testers often have to explain their findings to non-technical teams. Work on communication skills. Learn to explain complex issues in plain language. Report writing. A good pen testing report is clear, actionable, and easy to follow. Remember, the best pen testers not only find the flaws but help others understand and fix them. And there you have it, the ultimate roadmap to becoming a penetration tester. Start with a strong foundation, master the tools, earn the right certifications, and gain hands-on experience. If this video helped light your path, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of anonymous geniuses. There's plenty more to uncover, from advanced hacking techniques to cybersecurity career hacks. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and stay hooded.